Hello, good day everyone. This is Tevz. Welcome back to this channel. The next repair is a 55-inch LG Smart LED TV, model 55 UN74000PPA. It's turning on, but no image appears on the screen. I will show you how to fix it. If you are interested in electronics and want to learn how to repair TVs and other electronic gadgets, you came to the right channel. So be sure to like, subscribe, and ring the notification bell so you never miss a video like this. So let's get started. This TV is a back job. The first problem was the backlight. In 1 week, the customer sent it back and said it's the same issue. It's a backlight again. But it seems it wasn't a backlight issue again. At the beginning of the video, the backlight was lit up, indicating that it was not a backlight issue again. I think is an issue with the LCD panel, the CKV lines. To identify which side of the CKV line is defective, disconnect the plat wires connected to the top board one at a time. Let's first remove the number 1 plat wire, which is the right side of the panel. If the image appears in half of the screen, means that the plat wire we disconnected has a defect CKV lines, but no image shows on the screen. Let's connect back the number 1 plat wire and try the number 2 plat wire. Still no image on the screen. Let's try another method. By measuring the VGH voltage. We can measure the VGH at the positive terminal of this electrolytic capacitor and remove the plat wire once in a time. If the voltage returns to normal, it means that the plat wire we disconnected has the CKV problem. Let's remove the number 1 plat wire. The voltage just kicked. Let's connect back the number 1 plat wire and try the number 2 plat wire. Now the voltage gets steady at 27.9 volts. It means the number 2 plat wire has the bad CKV lines. Some panels don't display an image if one of the plat wires was disconnected. Now let's disconnect the CKV line, as well as the LC1 and LC2 connections. 8 CKV lines, LC1 and LC2 equal to 10 lines will be disconnected. We will use paper to block the CKV line and the LC1 and LC2 lines. In my opinion, paper is easier to use than tape. Cut the paper to the size of the lines to be disconnected. Place the paper between the plat wire and the contacts. Voila! We have a display now.
A few moments later.
The TV is now working great. The problem is the panel, not the backlight. I don't argue with the customer anymore, and I don't charge him anymore. Some people don't understand it. Thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed and learned something from this video. You can help this channel by liking and subscribing. Ring the notification bell to keep you up to date. Once again, this is Tevz. See you again next time. Bye for now.